Welcome to Idobu, where every solar street light is built with precision, quality, and reliability in mind. Our facility combines advanced manufacturing processes with strict quality control to deliver products that stand the test of time. From small residential poles to large highway models, we offer a full range of sizes to meet every project need. Each pole is carefully packed to arrive at your site in perfect condition. Our high-performance lamp heads and sturdy mounting brackets are designed for maximum durability and weather resistance, built to perform in the harshest outdoor environments. Every foundation cage is manufactured to strict standards, providing a secure, stable base for installation, no matter the location or terrain. We welcome global customers to visit our factory, inspect our products and production on-site, and we offer tailored solutions for your needs. From raw materials to finished products, every step is handled in-house. This ensures consistent quality, reliable lead times, and on-time delivery for projects worldwide. Idobu, your trusted partner for reliable solar lighting solutions.